are you guys up to? Just exercising your rights, essentially? Mind if I just get you guys' names so we spoke with you?
Nah.
You guys just walking around?
We're good, man.
What's up?
We appreciate you doing your due diligence,
Okay.
but we don't need to continue. Just give me your card and we'll be on our way. We're about to leave anyway, so.
Okay. All right.
Are we being detained or are we free to go?
We had some people call and saying they were in fear of what you guys are doing.
Yeah, but is that against the law?
I don't know if we have victims of...
Are we detained?
All right, that's the question. Are we detained or are we not detained?
We're going to the speed trap van, the infamous one.
You shouldn't steal the money from the citizens that are already struggling to make ends meet, but you steal the money from the community in Sheridan. You're ashamed of yourself and stealing money from the people of Sheridan. It's the government. Don't let them take your money while you're already struggling. Don't let them take your money as you're already struggling. It's okay. Just obey the law and listen to the direct orders of the government, and you shall be fine.
Officer.
So someone just called in trying to figure out what's going on.
Do you mind if I hang this?
Yeah.
Hard to see it.
Is that a conversation?
Yeah.
What's going on today?
Peacefully protesting.
Which you have the right, Second Amendment and all that.
Yes, sir. Have you ever been homeless? Have you ever had to struggle and wonder where your next meal's coming from?
Yes.
You know that feeling, right? It's not a good feeling, especially if you got kids.
Okay, no, I agree with you, right? I've struggled myself growing up and stuff like that. What's your name? Well, what can I call you? If you don't want to give me your name, you don't have to. But what can I call you?
Free America.
Free America? Okay.
So I'm going to turn this down and get in the way.
Okay, so you're saying you're protesting this camera over here?
Yes.
Okay, so we had multiple callers, someone calling in saying, you know how people react, right? I'm all about the whole Constitution and helping people out, right? And you are right? You have the right to protest, right? Clearly, when you're dressed up like this, some people that don't know, or some people that freak out with weapons and stuff like that, they kind of get scared and call us, and we have to do our job, right? So clearly, you guys are being peaceful. You guys are doing what? Exercising your rights.
Correct.
Okay. How long are you guys going to be out here for?
I don't know.
Are you not hot in that thing?
It's a little hot.
Right. I think I've been pretty respectful. I think my partners have been pretty respectful. We're just trying to see where you're coming from. You guys' thought process.
Like I simply just protesting.
Do you guys have like a channel or something like that, YouTube or anything like that?
I don't.
What kind of optic is that?
It's a Vortex.
Vortex. Is it okay?
Yeah, I don't like it.
So yeah, man, you guys have the right to do, you know, what you're doing right now. I appreciate you guys being cordial with us. Thank you for not cursing at me. I've had a long day, very minimal sleep and all that, but I appreciate you guys.
We don't curse at people unless they give us a reason to. You know what I mean? So
I get it.
You guys are cool. I have no reason to yell at you or anything like that.
No,
so
thank you guys for being cordial with us, and
we appreciate you, know, doing us right, man.
So respect goes both ways. So I appreciate you guys being cool with us. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Sir?
Yeah, I'll shake your hand. I've never met you. Are you newer to Sheridan?
Yeah. I was a cop up in Thornton, but I got like 2 months here. So
what rank are you? What's your rank?
I'm a regular police officer. Yeah.
I met you at the gas station up there like a year or two ago.
Oh yeah. Oh, the phone, this traffic stop.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
I feel weird saying this, but Sheridan, you did good. You passed.
That's not long.
The first time pass for Sheridan, guys.
You said the first time?
No, I
I've
passed
been
the last
arrested.
time.
You guys have arrested me. Not
Oh,
you,
sorry.
but the department has arrested me a few times. My girlfriend has a lawsuit pending currently with you guys. So
Right.
haven't had too many good experiences, except one with you that we chopped it up, and this one. So
Okay.
and that's part of what we're doing is education, right? So people don't just think, oh, you know,
Right.
hey man, they have a gun, so we need to call the police on them, right?
We have a lot of people from other countries, right, who don't know exactly
Right.
the Constitution and how that works. So,
And then that's maybe now they will, right? So it's education, right?
all right, guys. Good luck
Later.
to you.
He was doing a little bit of interrogation.
Oh yeah, at first, yeah.
You know, at least he was, you know, he didn't come out guns drawn. He didn't
No.
come out, he left you alone.
And he didn't force me to remove my mask
Yeah.
at all, or nothing. So,
So, well, let's get out of the way because they can hit us with obstruction. Hey, Lane, they just took a picture and we were standing there. I just want to make sure for the record that we're not going to get caught or busted for obstruction because I wasn't intentionally
No.
trying to do that.
No.
Okay.
It was probably one of the vehicles that they flagged or one of us since we're
Right.
impeding the,
Yeah.
since we're on
Right.
the roadway trying to get to our vehicles. But no, it's not going
Okay.
to hit you guys with anything. If
All
you
right.
guys had charges or anything, I would let you know, but you guys are good.
I just want to make sure it's on the record you said that because last time they actually charged me for it. I was
No.
walking down here.
No.
Okay.
So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a report saying, hey, I responded out here, spoke to you guys. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
There's one more interaction coming up, and of course I saved the best for last. To recap this one, Officer Barron did the usual fishing expedition at the beginning, but overall I have to say I was pleased with how he handled the encounter. Those of you who've been with me for a while know my history with the Sheridan Police Department. As you heard, Sweet Tea currently has civil litigation pending against Councilmember Jonathan Whitaker.
Why don't you give me some space?
I got you. You got plenty of space here, man.
I felt your breath against me. I smelled it way before you blew on me, homie. Go sit down.
Why are you yelling?
Because you just...
This is how the city council acts in the city?
Nope.
You're yelling at a citizen?
Because you just blew in my face for...
You told me I had bad breath, so I was making sure I didn't have bad breath.
You're an idiot.
Is that okay?
You're an idiot, and I can't wait to find out your name. And I'm gonna come back at you.
His girlfriend Victoria Brown,
Hey, what are you doing, lady?
Oh, I'm standing in front of your
No, you're bumping into it. You can't do that.
I'm standing.
Touched me.
That's harassment, ma'am. That's harassment.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
the most privileged human being that has ever lived on the face of the
That's
earth.
111. That's harassment.
Privileged human being that has ever lived on the face of the earth.
On your camera.
The most privileged human beings.
You cannot touch them. That's
I
against the
didn't
law.
touch them.
Yes, you did. You
No,
bumped
I
right
didn't.
into her,
You
man.
did. Did I
Unacceptable.
touch it?
Yes, you did. Don't touch her. Unacceptable. Yes, you did. Don't touch her. Unacceptable. Yes, you did. Don't touch her.
I'm trying to walk. Your camera was in
You
my
just
way.
stepped on my foot and my camera.
I didn't step on your foot.
She did not. What did you step on? She did
I
not.
believe I stepped
I'm
on
gonna-
it.
Don't touch my camera, lady.
I didn't touch
Yes,
it.
you did. You stepped on my camera.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Wanna go
That's
free?
against the law.
Guess how much money
You don't know the law.
I'm not doing that. You did not do that.
This is for clicks.
Everybody please leave the building. The meeting
Are you gonna, how much money?
Don't
Are you drunk? How much money will you get from this?
and Officer Fowl. That kind of sucks because Officer Fowl is probably one of the most level-headed officers in the department. Unfortunately, he's also the one who wrote the affidavit for the arrest warrant, and that's what can happen when you choose to follow orders instead of questioning them. Let me know in the comments if you remember this whole saga involving Whitaker and his girlfriend Victoria. They caused a scene, Victoria even got physical with Sweet Tea, and then they turned around and blamed her for it. That ultimately led to Sweet Tea being arrested for assault, only for the judge to acquit her halfway through the trial. That's an exceptionally rare outcome and had to be embarrassing for the prosecution. It shows the lengths some people are willing to go to shut us down. Even pursuing cases they know they have little chance of succeeding at trial. According to my attorney, knowingly doing that is an ethics violation. Alright guys, let's jump into the final two-way audit of this video. Here we go.
Ready to do our two-way audit. And just realized that this is the AMC Theater in Aurora, Colorado that was shot up. So we didn't plan that, but it just so happens to be that that's what it is. So maybe it'll be a little bit more intense, who knows. Okay, so this lady right here, she saw us and then she took off. I don't blame her. She's got her kids there, but she's doing that panhandling thing. Which, say what you will about it, if a homeless person panhandles, I'm fine with that, but those are those scam people. It's always a Mexican family that brings their kids out there too. We have a bunch of those here in Colorado where they pretend that they're struggling and then they bring their whole family out for sympathy. So they boned out. Hey guys, cops are here.
This video features 2 Second Amendment audits in one, and this particular incident includes 2 separate law enforcement interactions. The first is with the Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office, and after they leave, the Aurora Police Department shows up. So make sure you stick around, you won't want to miss it.
He didn't really come siren, and they only sent 1 unit this time. So we've been doing this all day. Inglewood sent like 10 cops, and then Sheridan sent like 10 cops and like 5 or 6 units. Looks like he's coming to approach me instead of PTP.
I can't hear you. You guys just doing Second Amendment auditing?
What's that?
Second Amendment auditors? You guys with him?
Well, you gotta go talk to him, man.
Why would I talk to him? I'm asking you a question. Okay.
Okay. I'm just recording.
Just so that I can make sure I tell my partners that there's nothing in the chamber.
No, there's not. There's not.
Okay, perfect.
It's clear.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you want my business card or anything?
If you don't mind, that'd be good.
You guys, I know you guys know your guys' rights. You guys are the Second Amendment auditors. As long as you guys don't point at anyone, I don't care if you're walking around.
Plan on
okay?
doing that.
All right. Okay,
thank you.
Good luck. Can I ask which YouTube channel so I can look it up later?
What was that?
Can I ask which YouTube channel so I can look it up later?
What YouTube channel that? I don't have YouTube.
Or are you guys posting this somewhere?
We send it to people, and they do whatever what they do. So,
Okay, do you guys know who would be posting it potentially? Just so I can look
like
it up?
James Freeman, Lackluster, those types of guys.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is there
we
more people in the area?
Not that I know.
Okay, cool. I figured if you guys knew the YouTube channel, I'd look it up because I want to see what see what you guys reviewed me.
No, we appreciate you, man. Sorry I was being a little standoffish before. I didn't know how it was going to go, if you were what you were doing, but I appreciate your...
You guys have been around the area quite a bit today, so we all know about you guys right now.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, we kind of let people know, like, hey, these guys are out here. I saw him right away, but then I see you 30 yards behind him.
Yeah.
I know what's going on.
Right. It's not a secret anymore, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I could have given this deputy my YouTube channel name, but I try to make it a habit not to. Most of the time, I don't think they're asking because they genuinely want to watch the video. I think they're trying to gather information that could potentially be used against me. Maybe Deputy Kersinger was being genuine, and if he was, he shouldn't have any trouble finding my channel on YouTube. I don't say that arrogantly, I'm just calling a spade a spade. I don't have many videos in Aurora because I don't live close, so I usually record closer to home, but that's about to change. Even though these are deputies with the Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office, we're in the city of Aurora, and so far everyone has handled this Second Amendment audit pretty well. Aurora, however, is a different story. As many of you already know, the Aurora Police Department has quite a reputation. Deputy Kersinger, if you're watching this, we appreciate you honoring your oath to the Constitution. In fact, out of all the audits we did today, I think you handled yours the best. Even Officer Barron from Sheridan went on a bit of a fishing expedition, and so did the Inglewood officers. You, on the other hand, simply showed up, acknowledged that we had the right to do what we're doing, didn't press us for unnecessary information, and then went on your way. If every law enforcement officer in this country responded the way you did, we'd all be out of business. And as I've said before, I'm in one of the few professions where my ultimate goal is to put myself out of business. When people say I'm just here to stir up drama for views, that's like saying doctors hope people get sick so they can treat them. People are inevitably going to be sick, so doctors will always be needed. In the same way, police misconduct will continue to exist unless it's addressed. And unfortunately, the Aurora Police Department has become one of the more well-known examples of that.
Hey.
What's going on?
Oh, Aurora's here.
Yeah.
we just talked to Arapahoe County, just came out. Yeah.
How was that?
Oh, it's fine. You just said, hey, you guys are exercising your rights, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just wanted to come check up, see what's going on. That's
Oh, okay.
all. Yeah, we got calls too, I think.
Oh, really?
Right in the area
Yeah,
as well.
Arapahoe came out, already spoke to us, told we're good. So.
Okay. are you guys up to? Just exercising your rights, essentially?
Second Amendment, First Amendment, yeah.
Yeah, right on. Good on you guys. Okay. Mind if I just get your guys' name so we spoke with you?
Nah.
Okay.
Can we get yours though?
Yeah, we'll get you my business card, yeah.
Thanks.
You guys just walking around,
We're good, man.
What's that?
We appreciate you doing your due diligence,
Okay.
but
Right on.
we don't need to continue. Just give me your card and we'll be on our way. We're about to leave anyway, so.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll get you my card.
Thank you.
I'll give you a couple for you as well, if that works.
Thanks.
So now we got our Aurora Police Department here, guys. After we had Arapahoe County Sheriff's talk to us, we got 2 patrol cars. So.
You guys are in Fargo or?
Nah.
Okay.
You don't mind me asking how often you guys go around and just kind of exercise your rights?
You do it every day on the job, right?
Yeah, right? Oh, I'm just asking how often you guys do that. That's all.
Every day, pretty much.
Good on you. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we being detained or are we free to go?
So we're checking with the supervisors because we had some people call and said they were in fear of what you guys were doing.
Yeah, but is that against the law?
I don't know if we have victims of.
Are we detained?
Or that's the question. Are we detained or are we not detained?
No.
Okay, then we're leaving. Have a good day.
All right, we're out of here. Okay. Like, these guys are not as cool as the Arapahoe guys. Like, why? What's the issue, man? It's like they're trying to prolong it. That guy's trying to ask us questions, like trying to fish for stuff. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's like, dude, I was like, you know, I appreciate you doing your due diligence, dude, but, you know, make sure you stop all the way here.
Yeah.
But, you know, we're not doing anything wrong. Just leave us alone, bro. You should just leave like Arapahoe County did. They were going to try to prolong it and see what they could do to us. See, Aurora is the ones that are fuck-ups, bro.
Oh, 100%. We literally just got contacted.
Yeah. They should have just
Should I go
fucking...
this way?
Yeah. They should have just said, let's buckle and bounce, dude, just like Arapahoe did.